Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through creating a Confluence template from start to finish. Start by clicking the settings icon in the top right corner to open the Administration Center. The Administration panel loads with a navigation sidebar on the left. In the left sidebar, click Global Templates and Blueprints to open the Templates page. This is where all your global templates are listed and managed. Click the Add Global Template button at the top of the page to open the template editor. The editor opens with a blank template ready to configure. Click into the title field at the top. You'll see a validation message asking you to fill it out. Template titles are required before you can save. Type your template name. For this example, I'm typing Documenta. Choose a name that clearly describes what the template is for. The template body area appears below where you can add your content structure and placeholder text. You can add headings, variables, tables, or any formatting your teams will reuse. When you're done with your template, click the Save button in the top right. A saving indicator appears while Confluence processes your template. The page returns to the Global Templates and Blueprints list where your new template is now available. It will now appear as an option when users create new pages. You can edit any global template later by returning to this same Global Templates and Blueprints page and clicking on the template name. Templates created this way are available across your entire Confluence instance, so anyone creating a new page can select it from the template gallery. To organize multiple templates, consider using consistent naming conventions like prefixing them with department names or project codes. And that's how to create a Confluence template. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.